Following the recent launch of the 2023 iPhone models and Pixel 8 series, all eyes are now on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is anticipated to steal the spotlight among the Galaxy S24 lineup. The Ultra variant has gained significant attention, partly due to inheriting features from the discontinued Galaxy Note series, which was renowned for its large screen and S Pen stylus. Since 2021, the Galaxy S Ultra models have essentially replaced the Galaxy Note, maintaining a similar form factor and S Pen functionality. Samsung aims to kickstart its flagship lineup for 2024 with an early unpacked event in January, and notable tipster Ice Universe has recently shared renders of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, claiming them to be the closest representations of the actual device. Noteworthy design elements include extremely thin and symmetrical bezels surrounding the display. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, featuring a unique combination of overclocked and underclocked components compared to the regular version. Notably, the Prime CPU core is overclocked at 3.4 GHz, while the Cortex A720 performance CPU cores are underclocked at 3.15 GHz and 2.96 GHz. The Cortex A520 efficiency CPU cores run at 2.27 GHz, slightly underclocked compared to the regular variant. In terms of camera capabilities, Samsung is reportedly abandoning the 10x optical zoom seen in previous Galaxy S Ultra models, potentially opting for a 5x optical zoom similar to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The primary camera is expected to feature an optimized version of Samsung's 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor, named the ISOCELL HP2 SX 200-megapixel. The build of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to include a titanium chassis, a feature introduced by Apple in its Pro models in the previous year. However, real-world experiences with titanium construction on phones have not conclusively proven its durability. Other anticipated upgrades include a boost in RAM to 12 GB for the base configuration, up from 8 GB in the previous model, and a potential 5,000 mAh battery, matching the capacity of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you want to see some special features of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, then you should watch this video. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.